Hey friends, today I need to make a new batch of fire starters, so I thought I would bring you along with me to show you the most easy fire starter to use while you're camping or backpacking. So we love using this type of fire starter because it's cost effective. You can make a huge batch of them. I'm talking like 100 of them. And also it burns for a really long time. So in the right conditions, this fire starter could burn up to 2 minutes, which is a really easy way to start a fire. So what we use for our fire starters is cotton balls dipped in petroleum jelly or Vaseline. So I just make a batch one by one, just dip them in there, and I just stick them down in a Ziploc bag. So we bring that Ziploc bag with us and we can just pull out whenever we need a fire starter to start a fire. So if you think about a candle, it's a wick with wax around it. If you were just to light the wick without any wax, it would quickly burn down. But the wax keeps it burning for a really long time. So this is kind of that same concept. So the cotton ball is like the wick, and the petroleum jelly is like that wax in the candle that keeps it for a longer burn. Okay, so I'm not a professional fire starter. I don't really have like the perfect strategy. So that's what I love about these fire starters, is that you don't have to be that great at fires. They burn so long that they'll eventually just catch whatever you put on top. So let me show you how it works. Another extra tip, if you wrap your lighter with duct tape, then you don't have to bring a whole roll with you while you're out hiking or camping, and you just have a decent supply for your trip. There you have it. So I can build a quick small fire with just petroleum jelly and cotton balls. So I hope you can use this inexpensive and quick way to build fires on your next adventure. If you want to find the written instructions, they're on exploringparks.com. Also, you could find some other great tips and tricks for camping and other adventures. Thanks guys, see you next time.